Hi, I'm Jordan from Oasis. I'm here today to talk to you about our new digital skills platform. 21.8 older adults are not online currently in the United States, and millions more say that they need assistance to properly use online tools. So over 40% of the older adult population isn't online, and a large chunk of the population that is online needs some help. So technology education is extremely important. What are the issues that this can cause for an older adult? A big one is social isolation. And we know the effect of loneliness on someone's health is the same as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. It also leads to lower levels of physical and mental health, quality of life, well-being, and even shortens your lifespan. So it's extremely important that we address this problem. We also know that many people don't use phone calls as their primary mode of communication anymore. And without access to the internet, um, things like email, social media, and smartphone apps, people may end up feeling left behind. A couple other issues that we really try to address with our work at Oasis. Apologize there, a little clicker issue. Cybercrime is huge for the older adult community. They lost almost $1 billion to cybercrime in 2020 as measured by the FBI. Older adults also may lack digital skills to command a living wage in the modern economy. We know that the retirement age population is increasing rapidly in this country, and not everyone has the savings necessary to retire comfortably. Um, the cost of living rising recently has also exacerbated this issue. So the ability to find some meaningful living wage work, even on a part-time schedule, could be the difference between a successful retirement or retiring in poverty. Here at Oasis, we've been in the educating older adults on digital skills for over 20 years. We've helped hundreds of thousands of older adults learn about technology, and this is work that we're really passionate about. It's life-changing work for the people that we touch. Um, but our typical model has been to have classes, which are kind of appointment viewing. So people have to come learn that topic at the specified time, and it's not always accessible for everyone. So with our digital skills portal, our goal is to be accessible for everyone. We have 800 plus topics, everything from smartphone and tablet classes to how to use Google Apps, Microsoft Windows, personal security awareness, cybercrime prevention, and many more. This is a totally self-directed system. It's designed to be accessible for everyone. We say people can take what they want, when they want, and they can do it at their own pace. People can also repeat lessons as many times as is needed, because we know that for older adult learners, that's extremely important. So phase one of our implementation plan, which is kicking off this week, is to create labs at Oasis sites across the country to gather some end user feedback. We're also working with some institutional partners as early adopters to gather their feedback. The whole goal of this is to refine our product market fit and gear us up for phase two. And this is where it gets interesting. We have a subscription-based model and an earned revenue model that's going to build sustainability for this program. Our initial price for an institutional partner is going to be $999 annually, although that could change a little bit based on early adopter feedback. We're also fundraising for philanthropically funded subscriptions, and we'll allow our subscribers to pay it forward by adding a donation to their subscription. There's a lot of things we're going to look at to measure success. One of them is completion tracking, the number of lessons completed on the system. We're also going to have a very in-depth survey that's going to track progress, participant satisfaction, anticipated learning outcomes, and even future topics of interest. And we are going to monitor consumer behavior and traffic patterns using Google Analytics to make sure that it's as accessible as possible and people are able to use the platform in an efficient way. So thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Now is our ask. And our ask is very simple. If you scan that QR code, we'd love to have your email. We'll be sending out monthly updates on the project. We are looking for funding. We're looking for $100,000 annually for 100 subscriptions in marginalized communities. But we're also interested in any kind of partnership, advice, or feedback you have to give us. So we'd love to have your email. Thank you again for listening to my presentation. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.